How to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. So if you want to recover your TikTok account without your email or without your phone number, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, now go to profile, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on sign up, and here you can now tap on login, which is on the bottom right, and then here you will have a bunch of options to log into your TikTok account. So choose the first option, which is use phone, email or username. So here, if you remember your phone number, then you have to enter that here, and then you can simply tap on send code and you will receive the code, and after entering that code you will be logged in. But here in this case, you don't remember your phone number or you don't remember your email address, right? So what you have to do is you can simply tap on the help icon, which is on the upper right, and now tap on the first option, which is recover your account, and then you can simply tap on TikTok username, and after entering your username, tap on next, and now you can choose Google. You can log in with your Google account, or you can also tap on need help, which is on the bottom, and after that it will ask you to tell your feedback. So under your feedback you have to write that I'm not being able to log into my account, so I don't remember my email or my phone number, but this is my username, and you have to provide a mail account which you have now but not your forgotten email. And after entering your information, you can simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of the screen, and after submitting, TikTok will take action on that, and TikTok will guide you with some steps. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.